If you guys are looking for a neighborhood feel with about 75 homes, look no further. It's Cascade Crossing here in South Nevada County. We've got a listing coming your direction. It's beautiful. It's about 2,500 square feet. We've got plenty of room, got a little family room, living room, and all sorts of fun amenities to it. So let's go check it out. Hey, welcome inside. You guys are gonna love this floor plan. First off, you got this beautiful tile floor all the way through. You got a full bathroom down here with a lower floor bedroom, which is great. And then look at this open space that it just totally opens into, pours into, tons of light, big windows on the side. And then it also has this wonderful kitchen as well with nice solid countertops. That goes out to this nice entertaining backyard. So let's go check it out. Hey, I love this area out here. You've got a really nice side yard that you can put a trampoline, extra storage. So lots of space over here on that side. And I love these Japanese maple trees that are out here too. Again, right now you've got the vacant lot that's over there at the moment. You got this nice covered patio porch for those afternoons or evening gatherings as well, which is really nice. And I love the artificial turf they have and this really cool fire pit. So very nicely done, nice landscaped as well. We've got an additional tough shed over here on this side of the house and a hot tub here for you. So the backyard is very usable and very nice for entertaining guests. And let's go check out some more. Hey, welcome down here to the parks. If you're looking for a beautiful park to come down and just walking distance from this house to come down and enjoy this, it's a wonderful park and it's great to have a little playground and you're actually walking right behind that park right there. There's a little convenience store there as well. So come check out the park at Cascade Crossing.